Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we explore the importance of documentation and information management in ISO 55001 for effective asset management. Let's dive into how proper documentation and information management can streamline processes and improve decision making. Importance of documentation. Documentation is a critical component of ISO 55001 as it provides the foundation for establishing, implementing and maintaining an effective asset management system. Let's discuss the key aspects of documentation and information management in asset management. Documented information requirements. ISO 55001 outlines specific requirements for documented information including asset management policy, a documented policy that communicates the organization's commitment to asset management and its alignment with strategic objectives. Asset management objectives. Documented objectives that reflect the organization's goals for managing its assets effectively. Asset management plan. A documented plan that outlines how the organization will achieve its asset management objectives, including strategies for asset lifecycle management, risk assessment, and performance monitoring. Procedures and work instructions. Documented procedures and work instructions that describe how asset management activities are performed, including maintenance procedures, inspection protocols, and asset disposal processes. Records. Documentation of asset management activities and outcomes such as maintenance records, inspection reports, and performance metrics. Information management processes. In addition to documentation, effective information management processes are essential for ensuring that relevant asset information is captured, stored, and utilized effectively. Key information management processes include asset data collection, collecting accurate and up-to-date data about assets, including asset characteristics, condition, and performance. Data storage and organization, storing asset information in a central repository and organizing it in a structured manner for easy retrieval and analysis. Data analysis and interpretation, analyzing asset data to identify trends, patterns, and anomalies that can inform decision-making and improve asset performance. Information sharing and communication. Sharing asset information with relevant stakeholders and communicating insights to support decision-making at all levels of the organization. Data security and confidentiality. Implementing measures to protect sensitive asset information from unauthorized access, modification, or disclosure. Benefits of effective documentation and information management. Effective documentation and information management in ISO 55001 offers several benefits, including improved decision-making. Access to accurate and timely asset information enables organizations to make informed decisions about asset management strategies, resource allocation, and risk mitigation. Enhanced efficiency. Streamlined documentation and information management processes reduce administrative burden and improve productivity by enabling faster access to relevant information. Better compliance. Well-documented asset management practices and information management processes facilitate compliance with ISO 55001 requirements and other regulatory standards. Increased accountability. Clear documentation of asset management activities and outcomes promotes accountability and transparency within the organization, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. In conclusion, effective documentation and information management are essential for achieving success in asset management under ISO 55001. By documenting key asset management processes, ensuring the accuracy and integrity of asset information, and implementing robust information management processes, organizations can optimize asset performance, mitigate risks, and achieve their strategic objectives. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.